It's an unboxing time. My first, actually two of my first hauls with Arbonne. If you're new here, my name is Rochelle, Rockstar Rochelle in the virtual world. Welcome to my channel where health is wealth. Backstory, mom recently passed a couple months ago, and now I'm ready to prioritize my health. My main mission in life is to outlive her. But not only that, but create a quality of life. So if that's your jam, if that's something you're into, welcome to the channel. Hit subscribe, and I would love for you to join me on this journey. I decided to partner with Arbonne for many reasons. One, they have an array of products from supplements to skincare. They're vegan free, they're organic, they are sustainable. Let's dive right into it. So the first thing that I bought was our most popular bundle, which is the greens elixir, and some form of a fizz. Now, the green elixir, what sold me on it was the taste. Number one. Number two, it has everything in it. So you have gut health, pre and probiotics in there. It's like about 13 of them. You have your collagen, so that's for your hair, your nails, and your skin. It has a full serving of vegetables and fruit. So for someone who likes to drink their supplements, this was a winner because it's like six different supplements in one. When I found this product and I came across it, I was sold. Because most of the greens that I've taken or that I've used, it tastes like dirt. Now, for those who love the taste of dirt, don't worry, we do have a supplement for you that has that earthy feeling or that earthy taste. My girlfriend Stacy, she grew up on a farm in Georgia, and she loves the flavor of dirt or the flavor of earth. So if you like the earthy taste, we got that for you. But if you love like a citrus, doesn't taste like dirt or tastes like the earth, this one's for you. The thing I do love about these is it comes in individual packs, so you'll get a full month serving. Great things to go. You just simply add it in water, okay? Little fun things that I love about these is it doesn't have a little pull tab on there, so it's easy for you to rip off. And also the boxes, they have these little tabs, so you can make it nice and pack it and pile it on in your cupboard. So little things like that. I will link all of it down below because or else this video is going to be long. And then the other thing that I added, because this is one of the bundles, is a fizz. Fizz is like our energy boost, our mood boost, our vitamin boost. We do have caffeine and non-caffeinated, so my kids love the greens and they drink it with a non-caffeinated fizz. We call it fizz because it does have a bubbly effect to it. So if you love bubbly water or you just want something bubbly with little to no sugar, this is a great substitute. We have several different flavors. So the best way to enjoy your greens is actually mixing these two. Just like the green elixir, you will get 30 servings of these for a whole month. Again, the little tab pulls are great, and the little tab right here is fantastic. You simply rip them up and then you mix them together. One thing I love about Arbonne is you simply just add water. I will tell you this, if you shake it up like in a water bottle or something, because the fizz has some bubbly in it, it's going to have that popping. So here's what it looks like. I know it's greens, right? But it tastes delicious to the point where I'm actually like craving this every day. So good. So that's the best way, and that's our most popular bundle. Again, I'm going to link it all down below, okay? My second haul, which I got, and this is our next most popular bundle, is having the protein, the greens, and a fizz. Protein has become like my daily routine to build muscle and to lift heavy. I know I'm not much right now, but keep watching because you're about to see a transformation, okay? So with the protein, what I love about this is that it is an essential meal. So this actually can be a meal replacement. And yes, it is vegan if you're curious. And then if you're curious about the caffeine, it's from green tea. 3 flavors. Coffee is my favorite. It tastes delish. We have vanilla, and then we have our chocolate. It reseals, so it's ready to go. This is about 3 pounds. So this is actually going to last me more than a month. For someone who usually takes this in the morning, I'm one of those breakfast on the go kind of people because I'm a nurse and I take my kids to school. So I usually shake one of these up and off to go in terms of drinking my breakfast. So this is what it looks like. This is an extra that I add. You can actually add it to your cart too. One thing about Arbonne is they're always giving a free gift. So full-size gifts. This was a free gift, okay? So if you add one of these bundles, you'll get a free gift. If you add this bundle, you'll get a free gift and probably free shipping. So just click the link and you'll unlock all the perks. I'm a recovering Starbucks lover, and I would get the creamiest, those frappuccinos, but those are like 600 calories each. And so I always need cream with my drink. So what I've been using is flavored protein. This is 200 calories. You just add water. I do add a splash of almond milk, which is low calorie, about 40 calories in a cup, just because I like my stuff creamy. And again, it tastes so good. And when I choose my proteins, taste is a big thing, and also the chalkiness. I don't like it when it's super chalky, because then I feel like I'm swallowing the powder. I want to show you how simple it is. Just get one of these packets, get your glass of water, you rip the packet, and simply add. So you could take this all by itself, or you could do it with the greens. Again, a lot of people love, since you're buying a bundle, a lot of people like, hey, since I'm getting my serving of greens, and might as well get an energy boost. What I like to do is I'll start this with the protein, and then like midday, right before lunch, I'll have an energy boost with my greens to get that serving. As you can see, it's starting to bubble because it's that fizz. You could see the, I don't know if you could see the bubbles in there. So you simply mix it and enjoy. Cheers. Oh, that's so good. And then the last thing that I got for myself was the Clean Tox Herbal Detox Tea. It's elderflower mint. This is caffeine free. The main reason why I got this is because it helps detox the body by supporting the liver and the kidneys. You do get 20 packs. They are tea packets that you simply just add to water, and it tastes like mint. My mom recently passed from liver failure, and my dad currently has kidney disease, so he does dialysis 3 times a week. So I'm really trying to protect the 2 most largest filtering organs, the liver and the kidneys, as much as possible. And any help I can give it, I'm doing it. If you ask me why Arbonne, it's this reason. All right, so again, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below or reach out to me. You can find me on Instagram or on Facebook. I'm an open book. I share these things as a way to inspire others to know that putting your health first, it's important, okay? Moving your body, it's important, and what you put in your body, it's important. Me being a nurse, I know better, and I'm ready to take action. And so I encourage you to join me on this journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now.